Today is the 100th anniversary of the Walt Disney Company. 100 years of innovation, world-class stories, and the opportunity to create joy and happiness around the world.
3, 2, 1!
Congratulations, everyone! Journey of Water, inspired by Moana, is officially open!
I'm feeling extremely excited that Journey of Water, inspired by Moana, is open, officially open today. And it's just even more special that it's open on Disney 100th anniversary. And the reason why I'm excited about it is that our guests are going to be able to explore and learn so much about water, and it's an engaging, fun way to understand this precious resource. I just think that EPCOT is continuing to grow and to transform, and there's so many different things for everyone to do here. So the fact that you can actually explore the world, the fact that you can travel out of space, and now you get to learn about this really precious resource called water. Our cast have done a phenomenal job bringing this to life. When I think about our Imagineers, it's been exciting to watch them pour into this experience and to come up with something that's so engaging, that's fun, and learning in the process at the same time.
It is so exciting to be here today for the opening of Journey of Water, inspired by Moana. The team has worked for years to get to this moment. As Imagineer, this is the most rewarding part of our work, and we're so excited to welcome guests. We're so excited to see families play together in this space, and I just couldn't be more proud of this team.